Amazon Prime Day 2025 is here, but not every deal is worth it. I've picked the best ones so you don't have to waste time. From tech to home essentials, everything you need is covered. All deal links are in the description. Let's get started. At number 1 we have LEVOIT Air Purifier for home allergies. Pet hair in bedroom is now down from $125 to just $84. That's a 15% discount. Struggling with dust or pet dander making your room feel stuffy? This purifier covers up to 1074 SQ-watt, has a 3-in-1 HEPA filter, and runs whisper quiet in sleep mode. This deal won't last long. Next up, CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer was $139. Now it's just $79, that's 43% off. Hate cluttered kitchens with too many appliances? This 10L air fryer also works as a rotisserie, dehydrator, and convection oven with 17 presets and a big viewing window. Don't wait too long. Moving on, Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner dropped from $299 to $149, a whopping 50% off. Tired of bulky vacuums that barely clean pet hair? This cordless vacuum comes with LED headlights, a detachable handheld unit, and runs up to 40 minutes on carpets and hard floors. These won't stay around forever. Let's keep going. Shark HD 430 FlexStyle Air Styling Drying System has gone from $349 to $249, that's 29% off. Still switching between a hairdryer and curler every morning? This 5-in-1 styler includes auto-wrap curlers, brushes, and a powerful motor that saves time and space. Get it before it's gone. Moving forward, Ninja BL 660 Professional Compact Blender used to be $119.99. Now it's just $89, 25% off. Making smoothies with a weak blender? This 1,100-watt beast handles frozen drinks, sauces, and comes with to-go cups and lids for your morning dash. Deals like this don't last. You'll find all the links to these deals in the description below. Next up, Hisense 40-inch Class A 4 Series FHD Smart Fire TV dropped from $209.99 to just $119. That's a solid 43% discount. Watching shows on an old laggy screen? This 1080p Fire TV features Alexa, DTS sound, and a sleek, bezel-free design that looks great in any room. Hurry while stock lasts. Let's continue. TP-Link AX 1800 Wi-Fi 6 router is down from $99.99 to $54. That's 45% off. Still dealing with laggy Zoom calls or buffering Netflix? This dual-band router supports Wi-Fi 6, Alexa integration, and mesh networking to keep your whole house running smooth. This one's hot right now. Moving on, Samsung 34 inches ViewFinity S50 GC monitor has dropped from $329.99 to $219, 33% off. Stuck working on a cramped laptop screen? This ultra-wide QHD monitor has 100 Hz refresh rate, HDR10, FreeSync, and eye care features for long workdays. Don't let this one pass you by. Let's go further. Shark Stratos upright vacuum went from $499.99 to $319. That's 36% off. Fighting constant hair clogs and odors? This vacuum has duo clean power fins, a self-cleaning brush roll, and built-in odor neutralizer to keep your home fresh and clean. Stock won't last forever. Moving ahead, GoPro Hero 13 Black Ultra-Wide Edition is now $349, down from $479. That's 27% off. Want buttery smooth footage of your next trip? This action cam records in 5.3K60, snaps 27 MP photos, and has a boosted wide FOV plus lens compatibility. This deal's worth jumping on. Next up, Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE has dropped from $569.99 to $519, a 9% discount. Carrying a bulky laptop everywhere? This sleek Android tablet offers a large display, long battery life, S Pen, and 256 GB of storage, perfect for work and play. Don't wait too long. Moving forward, Samsonite Freeform 24-inch luggage used to be $209.99. Now it's $158, that's 24% off. Dreading your next airport trip with worn-out luggage? This spinner suitcase is airline approved, lightweight, and built tough with dual wheels and TSA locks. Grab it while it lasts. Let's keep going. LEVOIT Vital 200 SP Air Purifier for large rooms dropped from $189.99 to $159. That's a 16% discount. Struggling with allergies in bigger spaces? This smart purifier covers up to 1878 SQ. Has a washable filter, real-time air quality monitoring, and sleep mode. These go fast. Next up, Crucial X 10 2TB Portable SSD was $249.99 and is now just $134, a massive 46% discount. Frustrated with slow file transfers? This rugged external SSD offers speeds up to 2,100 MB/s and works with Windows, Mac, and Android, perfect for content creators on the move. Act quickly. Moving ahead, Vibe Quilted Hybrid Mattress has dropped from $375.26 to $307, that's 18% off. Sleeping on an old, saggy mattress? This 12-inch hybrid gives you the cooling of gel memory foam and support of inner springs. Plus, it's CertiPur US certified and fiberglass free. Sleep better and save big. Thanks for watching. Check out the deals to the description link.